SHAKER Spin Master Monster Jam Series 16. Let's take a look now at the truck itself of SHAKER, which should be really SHAKER, but due to some things with the first name of the truck, they had to leave that off. But anyways, it's an awesome looking truck. I really enjoyed the white beadlock rims going around the black wheels. There is also a lot of detail on the truck itself. There's a Monster Jam logo under here. Up here is a website going along that edge. And then there's the name of the truck. I was trying to get a little closer here to see the first name, but I also see Ryan. Turning around to the front of the truck, look at that. I enjoyed that, of the front grille, the lights and everything up on the hood. We get a little of like white detailing, and also maybe like a aircraft, or maybe it's just supposed to be a symbol. Turn it around to the other side. There's the other side of the truck, kind of like this, of army style design here up on the roof, just like the real truck. A new diecast also for this Monster Jam truck. Well, it's not really Monster Jam, for this independent truck. Here's the back on the tailgate. Very nice. Let me go like this. There we go. So, SHAKER. So thank you for tuning in. Keep on watching if you want to see the other trucks in this series or the poster reveal. In Series 16, you get the poster of Soldier Fortune. The other trucks in this series is Son of a Digger, Legacy Trucks, Kraken, Arena Favorites, Gravedigger, Arena Favorites, Rough Crowd, Monster Mutt, Zombie, Elemental Trucks, Soldier Fortune, Legacy Trucks, Grey Clips, Mohawk Warrior, Boneyard Trucks, Gravedigger, Showtime Truck, or the Chase Piece. SHAKER is in Arena Favorites, and I also really like how in 2021 now they have the truck little picture there. Before, they would just show what else would be included, but it's nice to have that little extra picture.